So all you need to do so once we identify the trend, once we identify the trend, then we look for our entry, guys. So this is where we want to sell because the trend is selling. Because the trend is selling, I will sell here. So let's look for a live example. What trend are we now? Everybody on the call. Is the market coming down or the market is going up? Now, once it's not clear, don't do anything, just ignore. You want to trade what is clear, okay? And to get it, you just shrink your screen, okay? I'm on 15 minutes now. Somebody is saying down, somebody is saying up. Now, this is the down trend. You can see that. So I will tell you that the market is still on a downward trend. So for me, I won't take this as Harmonics X. Even if you want to say that, oh, because it's having a lower low, lower high, it has broken down the lower low, lower high. So once it's not clear, ignore it, guys. There are a lot of trades you will have when you stick to these rules. I told you yesterday that this market is ranging. So for me, there's nothing I will do on this market. How do you know it's ranging? It's not going up, it's not coming down. So what do we have? We have up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So it's not creating levels. So for me, nothing. Now, everybody on this call, is this market coming up or this market is going down? This is Euro GBP. Good. That is all I want. So if this is coming down on a downtrend, then I'll wait for my D. As this D forms, all I need to do is to wait and see the confirmation of the candle. Once the market comes into this green line, I see that that is my support and resistance. Once the market comes into that place and closes with my red candle, I will sell. My stop loss is what? 17 pips. Take profit 1, 13, and it got to 24. So this is Harmonics X conveniently. The market has been coming down. Okay, so by next week, what do we see? We're going to see an harmonic pattern that we call for a sell. Why? Because it gave us a drop down. Watch this. It went up again. It gave it to us again. So next week, what do you see this happen, guys? It will come up here. So if you take this trade, what are you doing? You are trading against the trend. If you take this GBP card, you are trading against the trend. And if it is a must that you trade against the trend, can we set limits? No. Can you set sell limit? No, because I want to see it. There's nothing as seen. Seeing is believing. The best, the most powerful indicator in the world is your eye. So I won't trade this because it's a counter trend. So look at each time the market gave us X. This is a crab pattern. The market fell. This time it gave us a bat. The market what? Fell. Look at it. This happened yesterday. 140 pips. So I've explained that to you over and over again. So I'm waiting for a X for next week. Note this down. This will happen around this place. Okay? It will happen around this place for GBP card next week. Good. Now, this is a downtrend, but I've started creating an opposite move. Down, you can see. For you to establish that something is a downtrend, you want to see down, up, you want to see it come down again. You want to see this place come down. If it goes up again and it comes down, so far it's down, it's still a downward trend. So when you begin to see that it went up and it did not come down, then it came like this. What has happened? What has happened, guys? The trend is changing. The trend has started changing. So instead of the market to come down and go up, then it gave you like this. It gave you like this. That means it's no more going up again. It has chosen to come down. I'm on 15 minutes. Omolara said after the 5-wave count, it will change. Yes. So instead of us seeing down, this level should remove this level and come down. This did not happen. So it changed it to a buy here. It changed it to a buy. So now we'll be waiting for our X to D. We are waiting for our D to come down for a buy. Is it trend down or the trend is up, everybody? Good. You just wait patiently for the pattern to change and you enter your sell. Fantastic. This morning, yesterday I talked about this. Yes, this morning, we're already on the uptrend. So I told us this morning, by the time we met, this had left. So that's why we could not pick it. If we were around this place, we would have taken it this morning. At least we would have risked 14 pips or 13 pips to do 21. But AUDNZD is a slow pair. Is a slow pair. Okay? So that's where we are for that. Just shrink your screen and identify your high and low. Look at this one too. It came down, went up, came down, went up, came down, went up. Came to this place, did not drop. So that means this is buy. Came to this place, just did a little. That means this is buy. So once you are not clear, I advise you to ignore and take something that is very juicy and clear. Look at that NZD for us now. Look at this one now. This has been going up. This has been going up. So by next week, we will see the D come and say buy. This is what I want to buy for X. Wow, wow, wow. Look at it. Wow, look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at the trend. Up, down, sorry. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Look at it. And it gave us X. Look at, as the market came into this place, we'll buy. Our stop loss, 25 pips. It has given us 61 today. This happened today. +1. So this is a good buy for everyone. As the market bounced at this and gave us a pin bar at this place, we will buy. Stop loss 27, take profit 1 to 2. What's the market saying, everybody here? What's the market saying? Are we buying or selling? Euro AUD. Sell. Fantastic. So the market says sell. So what do? You sell. No emotions, guys. You sell. Stop loss 15 pips. Take profit 86 pips. No emotions, guys. No emotions. Just follow. Okay, here the market is coming down. Sorry. The market is coming down, but it broke. So we now have I. If we add something lower, it would have said sell, but it gave us something above it. So this is lower, this is higher. So that means uptrend. The market went up again, the market came down. When it came down, it did not come lower than this. So it came above it. So that means we have a uptrend here. So that means this is a buy. So we buy, stop loss 156. He has given us 111 pips already. Just shrink it, and ask yourself, where are we? Down, up, down, up, down, up. So you sell because the market is still down. If you're not sure, I've told you, you leave it. Always leave it. Leave it, guys. Wait for another trade. You just want something that is clear. Aha, look at this one now. Look at this one. Something clear will show 100 times. Look at it. Something clear will show. Look at it. And as the market came into the green line, you sell, guys. Stop loss 87 pips, take profit 300 pips. Always, 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 always ask yourself, is this selling or buying? Let's go to 1 hour and see. I've been checking 15 minutes since, okay? So this is a uptrend, no go area. You won't take it. If you take it, you are not taking X strategy. However, we also have what is called Harmonics left shoulder. Okay? Harmonics left shoulder says you must have a low, which was a high that must have been broken. Okay? So this high has broken this high. Then that is when I can look for a sell. Okay? That is when I can look for a sell. This high has removed this high. Then I can look for a sell on this. So I will sell here. My stop loss is 13 pips and I'm expecting it to drop. So I'm expecting it to drop. So this is Harmonics X. Okay. Sorry, this is Harmonics left shoulder. Good. So what's the first one I've shared with you guys tonight? So this is Harmonics teacup, because the market went up, came down into this place, went up again, came down into this place. And as it came into this place, it came into support. And at the rejection of that place, that it will be our buy. Our stop loss is 30 pips, and it gave us 72 pips. So this is an Harmonics teacup. So all of this pattern is being taken every Tuesday to Thursday. Manny Marquinhos, every Tuesdays to Thursday. You want to learn this more? Good. What's the trend here, everybody? What's the trend here, everybody? What's the trend, everybody? The easiest to identify is the X. So you don't need to look further. Just shrink your screen and watch. Now that it's selling, we let the market call. Make sure, look at this one, just did a tap, just tapped it. Just tap the entry point. 5 pips stop loss. 55 pips. That's 1 to 10. It's crazy, guys. It's crazy. UD has been struggling with this place for a while. And his challenge is that he wants to go up, but he needs to remove all these places before we can say up have started. We had this trap in the morning. I told us up and down that this place will hold. I just felt it will hold because he's not ready to go down more than this. But if you are taking it on 15 minutes, you would have seen a clean buy there. In direction, guys. This one is higher. This one is lower. Watch this, guys. They were expecting this to drop below it, but it said no. So this did not drop. Then this went up again. Then came down. So this is more of a buy, guys. This is more of a buy because this high did not remove this low. So just hold on that. Once it's not clear, I've preached that sermon over and over again. Ignore it, okay? Ignore. Play safe. Okay? This is an alternate pattern. This alternate pattern. Watch this. The trend line has been broken. So what has it been doing? Lower, low, lower, high. Lower, low, lower, high. Lower, low, lower, high. Look at that. It has been doing lower, low, lower, high. That means we are looking for buy. So what happened again? Come here. Look at it, tapped on the green line. On the green line. As it tapped on the green line, buy rather. Stop loss 87 pips. It gave us 130 pips. It gave us 130 pips, guys. So we've established we have look at this now. The market is selling low, low, and this we're expecting a low, but it didn't give us a low. But at this sell, watch, this market came down, went up, gave a draw. Okay, so because this is lower than this, that means we will look for a X. So as this X happen, you will sell, guys. Good. Now, when this X was produced and it dropped, watch, it dropped and we are expecting it to remove this. And because it did not remove this low, that means a uptrend, a potential uptrend have started. Until the market drops low here, that is when you will look for a X for a sell. I said it before. You have this. It went up. Ask yourself the question, has this low been removed? Has this low been removed? Everybody on the call? Good. So now, what are we going to look for? Buy or sell? Everybody on the call. Somebody say buy. I don't understand. All these people are saying buy. They need to reward this video. They are not here. So you look for sell because this low has been removed. This market will come up here. Then you look for your D at this point. Then you sell. Watch again. The market, when you sold it, it broke down again. So that means this low has been removed. So what are you waiting for again? You are waiting for the market. You don't do anything here. You don't buy here. You don't buy because you are trading against the trend. This is counter trend. If you take 10 counter trend, you will be wrong 5 times because you are not the market. Because this drop has broken this and it dropped here, you wait. Successful traders, disciplined traders don't trade against the trend. Discipline. So the market came up again. Now, because this market removed this level and came up back, what do we do again, everybody? What do we look for here? Buy or sell? Good. Sell. Good. So the market came down. At this point, it did not break this place. Good. Then that means this level is powerful. At this point, it went up. Sometimes it can disguise, can give you like this and eventually come and give you like this. It can disguise. That's why I used to tell people, you don't trade, you make sure you are not a hopeful trader. Be a smart trader. So some people will now buy here now and say it's going up. No, the market is not going up because the market has not removed this high. Until the market remove this high and form N, that is where we now see a downtrend, a uptrend has started. Is this picture clear now? See, guys, this is the missing link. This is the missing link. If you enter here now, you are not a prophet. And except you are a seer, that is when you are right. Now, is it possible for you to trade this place and be right? Possible. Very, very possible. As a matter of fact, I love to risk here because of the way I've learned over the years. But a lot of time it goes back and hits stop loss. Because people like to catch the wave, the first wave. People like to catch this first wave. You know, they want to hit this wave, so they will now stay in it. So in 10 trades, 5 can be wrong, 5 can be right. So the question is, the 5 that are right, how can you maximize it? So that is where you now turn it into swing trading. Okay? And the only thing that can make this place powerful is that this must correlate with a very, very higher time frame. So if you are trading on 1 hour now, this level must be a daily level or a monthly level before this can be powerful. I've just shared another powerful nugget now. So for me, yes. So higher high, yeah, this must be a powerful level. It must not just be a level in 1 hour, because it means that the decking here is powerful to hold the rush that has been coming. You know, this has been a rush from up down. So this decking must be powerful. This decking was not powerful, so this broke it. This decking was not powerful, so this broke it. Now, imagine if this level is a very strong level, then the market will bounce here and go up. Now, when it breaks up, now you are ready potentially for a up move. Then the market will do what again? Come down back. Then you now start enjoying the ride up. So let me remove this again. Remove all drawing. So the same thing on a buy. The market gave you this. It came down. Gave us this again. So this came down again. This went up. This came down again. This went up. Now, don't worry. This guy says it has met a very thick level. Then a lot of traders will say they want to sell here. They want to sell here. No, you don't sell until this drops and remove this low. Then you wait for it to retrace down back. Then you sell on this. So this is our sell. So if you come and you really, really stay with this rule, I can tell us for free that we are ready to really stay obedient and make good money for ourselves. So watch this now. Guys, we've been going on uptrend for a while. Watch this now. This is the trap. Why everybody went to the selling AUD USD. It came down, it went up, right? So when it came down, look at the trap, guys. When it came down and did not break this high, everybody said, now we are ready to sell. We are ready to sell. But don't forget, this has not broken. This low has not broken. Because this low has not broken, by this, you are not to sell. Until it breaks this place, that is where you can look for a sell. But it has not broken. So sell is a risky trade in this place now. Don't forget your diagram. I said we want this to give us this to give us this to give us this. Now look at what AUD USD did. He gave us this. As he gave two of us, all of us this now. Okpeo sell have started. People sold. And when they sold, they entered one chance. They entered one chance. Now, because this did not break this place, it means we are still looking for buy. Until it breaks, that is when our sell is confirmed. Now, let me ask us this question. Did it break this level? Did the market break this level? Yes or no? Everybody on the call. Did the market break this level? No, good. Thank you. Because the market did not break this level, it means if you sell, you must know you are trading a counter trend. So this morning, it came down, formed the low, went up. Some traders put in sell. It came down. They say, Okpeo is selling. Went up again. Hope I'm not wrong. Then, if you look at this place well, the C is higher than the C is higher than the X. So it came down back and continue its up trend. You can see. So that is why I tell people, you don't be a hopeful trader. Allow the end to form first. This is your end. Allow it to break. Now tell you, oh yeah, enter anything, you enter able now. Because this low. So when you are entering, your sell, your TP1, your TP2, your TP3. Good. If it comes up again, you sell. Because this has formed a higher high, higher low. Higher high, lower high. No, higher low, yeah. And it kept giving us, and we are good to go. So if you have this basic understanding, you will know why you are in a trade and why you are not in a trade. And it will allow you to know that you can enjoy a lot of what the Harmonic scanner has for us. Okay, guys, you guys gained some value tonight. How many of us was on money market session yesterday? How many of us were on money market session yesterday? Manuel, how did it go, Manuel? Have you been in his class since Manuel? Let me bring Manuel up. Let Manuel share with us, because if you don't know the power of the tool that we have, you are missing. Manuel, can you unmute yourself? How are you doing, sir? Now your number one.
Very fine, sir. Good afternoon.
Correct. How are you doing? How's it going?
Very fine, Chairman Olabi. Good evening.
Great. So how many were you on all the session this week?
I've been following that guy for the past 1 month plus now. Every Tuesday, Wednesdays, and Thursday.
Fan-
He's a guru in the
Fantastic.
Harmonics.
Fantastic. Fantastic. Did you pick the trace on did you pick the trade?
USD
Was it
card.
USD card?
Yeah, he called the first USD card. He hit stop loss, 25 pip stop loss. Then based on his analysis, he told us he would buy again and give us a buy limit, and it triggered. And they know his 5% compounding plan he's doing. I'm not going to lie to you. I'm not sticking by the book, but I'm doing over 30% of my account every week with that
Only
his strategy. Just only on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. I am so sure I don't miss his strategies at all. In fact,
oh
he
yeah
was
now.
the one that opened up. He was the one that opened up to us on Tuesday about the need of us to use indicators. When Pastor Ayo was talking about use of indicators 2 days ago, I remembered what Manny McQueen said, that if we can link and correlate indicators to these strategies we're using, it will work very well. And then he gave us about 4 different steps about trends, about momentum, about volume, different indicators we use to ensure the Chairman Olabi, the guy, him and Christopher Derrick, I don't know how those people just be like this.
Amazing.
They are something
Amazing.
else. They are
Amazing.
something else. I enjoy them
Amazing.
very much.
Fantastic. Great. So
Enjoy them.
you do 30% of your account. You are not the manual.
Ah, I stick with him. I know they shake. Any trade when they give me, they
Amazing. 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 Thank you so much for jumping on the call.
this
Hey,
first week of February.
fantastic. Fantastic. Good to hear from you. I celebrate you, my brother.
Celebrate you
Thanks
too,
for
sir.
being
Well done, sir.
here, bro. Yeah. Guys, can you hear with your ear? Everybody, can we hear? Can we hear with our ear? The same product that you have paid for. I tell you, don't miss my criminal section. Somebody say we hear. don't don't miss Manny Makuno session. That one alone will pay your bills every month. Manny Makunos, don't miss his session. He's so conservative and he will tell you this is good to go. Please and please. Okay, guys. Thank you so much